Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Maritime negligence lawsuits. Some of the most complex cases that involve maritime law are also the most common. Those involving negligence. There are true accidents that can occur on ship or in harbors, and there are plenty of laws like maintenance, incurred, and the LSWCA that can provide compensation if no one can be blamed for an accident. On the other hand, in most cases, an accident is preventable, which means that someone was negligent. In the case of negligence for a seaman's accidents and injury, the Jones Act provides a way to sue the employers for damages. Filing a claim under the Jones Act is time sensitive and can be confusing and complicated, which is how an experienced lawyer can help you. A lawyer can also help you if your employer and their insurance company decided to fight your claims. You may need to try to settle your claims through arbitration or even through a court trial. Either way, you will want an experienced lawyer on your side representing you. Examples of negligence in maritime accident include those caused by malfunctioning equipment or poorly maintained equipment. Accident caused by a lack of training or a lack of proper safety cares, broken or cluttered ladders and stars, cargo that was stored properly, spill that caused the decks to become slippery, and physical assault, just to name a few. Your employer is most likely negligent in your accident if it could have been prevented by some action that is the employer's responsibility. And then next, about compensation a lawyer can help you get. With a good maritime lawyer on your side, you have a better chance of getting all the compensation to which you are entitled. If you are a seaman, maintenance and cure entitles you to money to cover medical and living expenses until you can come back to work. Whether or not negligence was involved, in negligent cases, you may be entitled to money for medical expenses, lose wages, lose future earning capacity, pain and suffering, mental anguish, and other costs. If your accident and position at work entitles you to compensation through at the LHWCA or OGCLA, your lawyer can help you get similar benefits. Regardless of negligence, this law acts more like workers' compensation, so regardless of the cause of your injury, if it happened on the job, you can fight for your benefit for lost wages, medical expenses, and more. And then next, about finding a lawyer. When it comes time to find a maritime lawyer to represent you, take care to work with someone who is truly experienced and knowledgeable. When it comes to maritime law, lawyers specializing in this field are highly educated with regards to the law, but some may be better than others. Do your research and look for a lawyer with a good reputation and a good track record when it's come to winning benefit for clients. Make sure you find a lawyer who really knows the law and has experience, not just a lawyer who specializes in workers' compensation or personal injury and claims to know something about maritime law. And then next about working with a maritime lawyers. The most important thing to do if you are injured on the job is to find a lawyer with a maritime law experience. You don't want to try to fight this battle alone. Success in maritime cases requires experience and specialized knowledge. When you have that lawyer to work with, he or she will want to see that you have filed an accident report regarding the accident that caused your injury and a medical report detailing the treatment you received after the accident. With this information and anything else you can provide, your lawyer will be able to decide how to process. Your lawyer will also decide which laws to use to make your claim. With the expertise of your lawyer, you will be able to ensure that your claim is filed before statute of limitation run out and you have no option left. This professional will also help you avoid many other mistakes and will decide whether your case can be settled in arbitration or whether it needs to go to trial. With a maritime lawyer there to guide and represent you, you can rest assured that you stand the best chance of getting the maximum amount of compensation you deserve for your accident and injury. And then next about Alaska maritime lawyers. Alaska is a big state with a sparse population and a big maritime industry. With the most coastline of any other state in the country, maritime work is a big part of Alaska. Many of the residents of the state live in a coastal area where fishing, crabbing, container shipping, cruise illness, harbor work and other maritime jobs are popular. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment and subscribe.